Hello and welcome to this demonstration of this Django project. This is a Wiki website built with Django, and I'm gonna go quickly over the requirements that I had to meet while I was building this. So this is the home page, is running in localhost. First requirement is when we visit wiki slash and a title, one of the titles of the entries, it should take us straight to the entry. This is CSS. Here we go, and on the title tag it's got the name CSS as well. Let's try just another one, git. There we go. And if we try something that does not exist, we go to this page that it shows that the entry couldn't be found. So the next requirement, it was on the index page, which is this one, home. On the list of entries, we should have, each one should link to that corresponding entry. So there we go, CSS, back home, we click on Django, we go to Django. Notice the title always takes the name of the entry, and they all work perfectly as expected. Okay, so we are gonna go with the next one. The next one is the search, how to implement the search functionality. So if I just search for Django, it takes me to Django, but instead if I just say D, it's gonna give me a list of all the entries that include that entry, that letter that I entered, which is a D. It's Django. If I say Y, I go Django and Git, and if I search for something that is no results, I get this, no results for whatever. The next one is create a new page. Here I implemented this as well, so we can get a title. Let's say we just say git as a title, which is there's already one entry called git. Let's see what happens when I click save. It tells me here the title git already exists, please choose a different title. Okay, so we're just gonna call this Flask, and I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so when we save it, we go straight to Flask. There's no more content than this at the moment. Okay, and the next one is the edit page, which we got this link edit in each one of the entries, you see. So we're just gonna edit this Flask, edit Flask, and we're just gonna say it's awesome. Save it, and we go straight there, and we see the new content is right there on that page as well. The next one is the random page implementation, which is just as you would expect, it just takes us to a random entry each time we click on it. Okay, and the last requirement is just so you note that when we create a page or we edit it, you see this is a markdown content, but when we see on the website, it's converted to actual HTML. So the application is doing this for us. So this is all for the project number 1. I'll see you guys in the next project. Thank you.